Hey gadget lovers. Many people these days struggle to find a fun, effective way to relieve stress or get a quick workout in at home, without realizing how much a simple, engaging piece of equipment can transform their routine. Upgrading your home fitness or play setup with an interactive boxing machine will upgrade your life in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best boxing machines go beyond just a punching bag. They combine rhythm, light, and technology to create an addictive full body experience. And we have the top 5 options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get into it. Number 5, the Awinto Music Boxing Machine. Let's start this countdown in the value domain with the Awinto Music Boxing Machine. This is a fantastic budget-friendly entry point, especially for kids and families. Priced very accessibly, it comes with its own pair of boxing gloves, making it a complete kit right out of the box. It firmly adheres to the wall with shock-absorbing foam pads and vacuum suction cups, a no-punch design that's suitable for a wide range of walls. It features 3 adjustable speed modes and a key selling point for the younger crowd: Bluetooth connectivity. Kids can play along with their favorite music and follow the cool rhythmic light effects to punch the corresponding sponge pad. The striking surface is made of high elasticity sponge, and when used with the included gloves, it's designed to be safe and fun without hurting hands. For parents looking to fully mobilize their kids' sensory response and limb coordination, to let them strengthen their body and gain pleasure in the process of entertainment, this is a great starter toy. It's marketed as ideal for ages 6 to 12 and up, while it may not have the advanced features for a serious adult fitness enthusiast. For its price, the Awinto delivers dependable, fun-packed performance that outshines many basic toys, offering the best possible fun-to-price ratio without straining your budget. Number 4, the Change Now Music Boxing Machine for kids and adults. Moving up, we have the Change Now Music Boxing Machine, an Amazon's Choice product that starts to bridge the gap between a kid's toy and adult fitness gear. This model positions itself as the ultimate reflex and cardio trainer. It's designed with more advanced features, including 6 striking points, 9 speeds, and a significant jump to 11 professional training modes for HIIT, fat burning, and hand-eye coordination. Like the others, it syncs your punches to the beat through a built-in Bluetooth speaker, transforming your routine into an engaging rhythm game perfect for stress relief. A smart LED display provides real-time feedback on your speed, time, and score, giving you data-driven precision. It's engineered with high-elasticity foam and a PP plus TPR construction for powerful rebound and superior shock absorption, aimed at protecting wrists and joints during more intense use. This versatility makes it a compact boxing punching target suitable for home gyms, and even office wellness spaces for short, stress-release sessions. If you're looking for a rhythm-based adult workout that still has a playful, engaging edge, the Change Now model is a strong contender that adds more professional structure to your training. Number 3, the Lullbox 2025 Music Boxing Machine. Now entering our top 3, we have the Lullbox Music Boxing Machine, our overall pick. This one has garnered impressive reviews, and for good reason. It's a versatile boxing machine designed to elevate your workout with multiple speed options and dynamic lighting effects for a truly engaging fitness experience. It boasts advanced sound quality, precisely tuned volume, and long-lasting battery life for uninterrupted sessions. Setup is emphasized as effortless and space-saving, using adjustable Velcro straps for wall mounting. No need for extra accessories or punching holes in your wall. A key feature is its Bluetooth connectivity paired with performance tracking. You can stream your favorite music and track every hit with a built-in counter for an immersive, gamified boxing experience. Lullbox markets this as ideal for all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, perfect for home, office, or gym use to train, relieve stress, and have fun anytime. It combines user-friendly setup, reliable tech, and robust design into a package that clearly resonates with a wide audience, making it a consistently top-rated choice. Number 2, the TGLLM Music Boxing Machine. Just missing the top spot is our number 2, the TGLLM Music Boxing Machine, which is actually the number 1 bestseller in speed punching bag platforms on Amazon. This is a professional-grade music boxing machine equipped with 9 modes and 9 speeds to meet the needs of most people, from professional boxers to fitness newbies. The core appeal is simple. When the target lights up, you hit it, and it counts your score. It's designed to sharply improve reaction speed and body coordination. It features a clear LED display that shows your hit count, recording your progress and growth. Of course, it supports Bluetooth music, with surrounding speakers and cool lights to keep you immersed. The impact surface is made of high elastic foam material for strong rebound and shock absorption to protect your hands. A great feature is its adjustable height, making it suitable for both adults and kids for physical exercise or stress relief. It comes with gloves and is wall-mounted using double-sided tape or Velcro, saving space and installation time. TGLLM has packaged a highly effective professional-feeling trainer that lets you have a home boxing music workout machine without the need to go to the gym, saving you both time and money. Its bestseller status is a testament to its quality and appeal. Number 1, the Tech Tools Punching Bag with Stand. Now for our number 1 pick, we're shifting categories slightly. While the wall-mounted music machines are incredible, our top recommendation for the most versatile, durable, and universally suitable option is the Tech Tools Punching Bag with Stand. This is an Amazon's Choice freestanding punching bag, and it wins the top spot for several key reasons. First, it requires no installation on your walls. It's a complete freestanding unit with a height adjustable shaft, ranging from 49 to 63 inches, making it perfect for teens and adults of all sizes. It comes with a solid EVA foam punching ball mounted on a spring-loaded shaft that springs back into place with ease after every hit. Fantastic for developing timing, speed, and accuracy. Its base is its masterpiece. Simply fill it with 66 pounds of water or 100 pounds of sand, and you have an incredibly stable, premium quality platform that won't budge during intense sessions. Constructed for durability with a polyurethane outer material, it's perfect for stress relief, workout sessions, and MMA training. It raises your heart rate for a great workout while being super easy to set up. Yes, boxing gloves are not included, but that allows you to use your own preferred pair. For a one-stop solution that offers a traditional, physical, impactful boxing experience without any wall-mounting hassles. Suitable for everyone in the household. The Tech Tools punching bag with stand is our definitive #1 pick. It delivers unmatched stability, adjustability, and longevity, making it an indispensable tool for your home fitness space.